We are doing a grocery haul today, but first, smash on that subscribe board, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going into Walmart for the first part of my grocery haul. We do multiple stores to stay in budget. Getting a bunch of bananas for 62 cents a pound. $1.10 for the French bread sliced. Grabbing our sauces and pastes. So we're getting one of the pastes for 62 cents. Getting 2 cans of the diced tomatoes by Great Value for 72 cents each. We're going to get 2 of the Great Value sauces, and they are $1.40 each. Box of thin spaghetti for 98 cents. And when you come to Walmart, there's been price raises on everything. Getting 2 cans of the mixed vegetables for 58 cents. Great for stews, soups, and other dishes like casseroles. The hot price for $2.26. Gonna get the oil here, and it is a gallon for $7.27 for our deep fryer. Getting the Walmart tortilla chips for $1.74. Grabbing his beef patties for work for $2.78 a box. A box of the Uncrustables for $8.58, and they have also gone up. Grabbing a bag of the steam fresh Bird's Eye corn for $1.23. Grabbing a broccoli florets steamables by Bird's Eye for $1.97. We're going to use the self-checkout. I'm going to head on over to BJ's to get what we need over there, then head back home. We have laundry in at home, and one kid is at practice, and one kid is at home. That was a great buy for the oil. I noticed a lot of things have gone up in price, so keep that in mind when you're shopping. At BJ's for the second part of the grocery haul, I'm going to get what we need, and then I'll include all the prices with the clips. Madhouse here today. I was lying to get in. Barely got a parking spot.
There's no line to get out there.
The lines usually move pretty quickly here. David looked like he got one of the last carts. I'm going to head to the back of the store because we've got to go to deli and do a few things. That's quick for the kids' lunch boxes for $9.89. We are at the deli department getting some lunch meat for sandwiches for this weekend and for school Monday for my teen. I'm grabbing a rotisserie chicken for $4.99. It is 3 pounds, and that is a really great buy. And there's so many things you can do with a rotisserie chicken and with leftovers. A piece of the Jimmy Dean's for $12.99 for quick breakfasts. Then we just got to get our pick and packs, the 2 bags of chips for the 2 house. Bags for $7.98, and we're going to get Doritos, and I'll show you another brand at home. $9.99 for the Baby Bell cheese, plus we have a coupon for it. That is a good buy because it's about 3/4 of that at Walmart, and you're getting more for your money at the bulk store. Grabbing a case of the stovetop stuffing for $3.99, and it has a coupon. Grabbing some geyser rolls for sandwiches. My kid really likes them plain in her lunch bag. And this is the line to get out, and we're going to head to checkout as soon as we can for the self-checkout. The hard rolls were expired or something. Went and hard and molded over, my husband said, so we're going to skip that. I'll let an associate know so they can remove them. We are heading home, and this is a huge stretch of nothing but woods and nature. Any kind of wildlife you can imagine is here. We've seen wild turkey, there's been bear sightings, coyote, snapping turtles, regular turtles, deer, groundhogs, gopher, everything is over here. All kinds of birds, from hawk to eagle to heron. And it is so pretty. This is part of the Hudson. That's the marsh area. And then we get to see an actual glimpse of the Hudson. We're about 3 minutes from the village.
The village right around the corner, I'd say about a minute.
A minute from the village. We're going to pop by the village library, which is an old schoolhouse, and it's really neat. And I'll show you what the library looks like real quick. The librarian is really nice. Melissa's not always there.
Saturday. Every once a month Saturday.
Coming up onto the Hudson, once we passed the fence here, and then the community garden that volunteers take care of it. I come down here a lot for sunsets. I don't think there's going to be much of a sunset tonight because it's going to rain. We may get a thunderstorm. That's what the Hudson looks like. It's the same. It stretches all the way to New York City. Here's a glimpse of the library. I have photographs of it on my Facebook page. And we're going to go on in. The town hall is also here too. This is the grocery haul. I'm going to start on the left-hand side over here. In the back, I have the Lay's Classics and then the Doritos. These are larger than the family size over at the Walmart. So they're $7.98 for 2 bags. And I got a 12 count of the croissants, a case of the stuffing, and there's so many great casseroles to make with this. I also got my Baby Bell. It had a coupon. Then from Walmart, we got the Uncrustables for kids' lunches. The oil was an incredible buy for a gallon of vegetable oil. Then spaghetti by Ronzoni. The sliced bread from the bakery. This is my husband's favorite. Now from BJ's, the lunch meat was $2.34 and $2.89. And he usually gets a quarter of a pound. And he got ham. And he got Angus roast beef, his 2 favorites. Then he got beef patties for work. We picked up some tortilla chips for the kids to go with the salsa. That was also from Walmart. Got a whole chicken. A Nesquik case. My husband loves his hot fries from Walmart. The chicken and the Nesquik was for BJ's. I got a bunch of bananas from Walmart. So we got some canned goods. Tomato paste. Diced tomato, mixed vegetables. Then we got the jars of the Prego sauce and 2 bags of steamed fresh vegetables, corn and broccoli, florets. And here is another look. And I'll show you our meal plan through the end of the month. BJ's, let's see how much we saved today, because we always have coupons for BJ's. We saved $17 today at BJ's. So that is really good. And we spent $50. Then at Walmart, a lot of prices were risen at Walmart. $35, $32. No coupons at Walmart. My husband hasn't been buying the English muffins at Walmart. He's been going to our local Hannafords, and he really enjoys them. He says they taste better than the name brands. This is our dinner for tonight. It is 1 pot corned beef with potatoes and green beans. We don't do carrots or cabbage here. And it's been simmering all morning, and it smells incredible. I'm going to show you my menu board. We are on the 18th. And we're having our corned beef and cabbage tonight. And we're going to have chicken tomorrow. I have chicken breast and thighs in the freezer, and we'll take them out. Then we're going to do a leftover. Then we're going to maybe do a pork loin Tuesday, or I might switch it to pork chops. I haven't decided yet. Italian night is always Wednesday. Then we have a heat and eat on Thursday. We do pizza on Friday, and my husband wants to have air fryer steaks on that Saturday because we had the eye round the other weekend. And then we just did pea soup, so that'll be switched around. And then pork chops on the 26th, our Italian night on that Wednesday, which is the 29th. And then the 30th is a heat and eat. And the 31st is a Friday, which is usually pizza. And we do theme nights, pizzas on Fridays usually. Then we do Italian night Wednesdays, pork on Tuesdays, some kind of chicken on Sundays, and then beef on Saturdays. And I have menu planning videos in my Let Us Eat players list. Thank you so much for shopping with me today and hanging out with us. We are a family of 4. We shop on the weekends. During the week, if we need anything, it's usually just milk, bread, or bananas. There's a store about 15 minutes from here that we head over to if we need anything. The meal planning board, we switch around from time to time. We do it by theme nights. All the prices are in the store clips, and this is New York State, maybe higher than the Midwest. Before we go, did you smash on that subscribe word? Don't forget to tap on that bell and give this video a big thumbs up.